The workshop is targeted at small and medium road contractors to enhance their abilities on how to go about doing their business. Most importantly, it will help them to better understand the business, technical, financial and contracting aspects of their companies. Its main objective is to give skillful training to small and medium contractors and supporting SMEs to grow.
We're also having major and big contracts with big players from overseas, but it's equally important that we also support our home-based local contractors.
The Australia PNG partnership through the Transport Sector Support Program or TSSP and Works Department has delivered more than 60 million kina worth of road maintenance works to 70 different local contractors in 2017. However, this does comes with bids which local contractors must fully understand because of the procurements and risks involved to do their work. The Works Department has come up with a template to monitor contracts given by the department so that contractors must get the job done diligently.
So all the contractors who are getting contract with the government, mainly DOW, will be monitoring their performance. So
the Trade, Commerce and Industry Department is there to help small and medium road contractors register their companies and is there to educate them on ways to bid to be awarded contracts.
Through our registration process, we classify contractors. So we tell a contractor, you cannot bid for this project because your paperwork says otherwise, your profile says otherwise, you have only probably less than $1 million kina in your account, you cannot bid for a 5 million kina project.
Meanwhile, Edward Kanakali from Lawama Construction said the main obstacle for road contractors and one that results in unfinished jobs is the land ownership issues.
Authority and DOW to really try and implement this road transfer infrastructure that is in place to have the 20-40 corridor of the road in place, and then that will really assist the contractors.
The 2 days workshop will end tomorrow. The same workshop will be conducted in Medang at the end of this week. Vasanatha Yama, National MTV News, Mount Hagen.